In this tutorial, we'll show how to configure onboard digital input in ModelLite and System Sensor Panel. To configure onboard digital inputs, we need to enter in L3 menu. To open L3 menu, press OK plus down button. The display will prompt for entry of the level 3 password. Enter the level 3 password using the numeric keys. In the L3 menu, there are multiple options. Press the down arrow button and select the digital input setting by pressing forward arrow button. We have selected input 1 by pressing down arrow button. After selecting the digital input now, we can program it for alert, evacuate, reset, disable by using menu or OK key. If alert action is selected, then it will only give a notification in the form of trouble. However, it will not activate the outputs. If evacuate action is selected, then it will give fire alarm of panel and it will activate all outputs. If reset action is selected, then panel will get reset upon activation of input. Select the appropriate action and exit from programming mode by pressing back arrow button. Explore our trainings and discover your potential. Visit www.honeywelldiscovertraining.com.